Good morning, guys. I'm just about to leave my home to go on a weekend trip to Denmark. This time I'm not driving. I have a driver. We're playing 2 shows with Nena. The hotel is gonna be in Aarhus. 2 little towns, each 50 kilometers away from the hotel. One north, one south. That's where the shows are gonna take place. And my driver's already waiting. Good morning. I'm in Neukölln. Ich bin nicht Neukölln. That's German for I'm in Neukölln. Probably the most international district of this city here, Berlin. Yeah, I want to get myself a little snack before we go on the road so I don't starve. As a vegan, outside of Berlin it's not so easy. So maybe a nice little falafel sandwich with hummus. Ready to go now. I'm in Denmark now. It's my room. Small room. It's about 10 p.m. now. I went over to Burger King. I'm trying the new plant-based Rebel Whopper without mayonnaise. Let's see what it's like. Tried a couple of those. The Beyond Meat one is probably the one that's closest to the real thing. So it's a bit drier than the original. The main flavor comes from the sauces. I think there was some vegan mayo on there, which unfortunately McDonald's don't offer. Burger King as well, both. Hello. I guess for social reasons, it's maybe justified to participate in the nutritional stupidity. It's absolutely not necessary to eat something like that. So here's my summary. It's shit. And that's it. Good morning. Well, morning. It's 2 p.m. Down there, the drivers are waiting for us. Our little convoy of vans. Forebygg smitte mot ny coronavirus. Lively little neighborhood here. Espresso house. Shit, I'm definitely going in. Look at all that, man. Unfortunately, most of this probably ain't vegan. Big one. Big one? Yeah, please. You can smell the Baltic Sea outside. I'm a happy man. Got coffee. I got a sandwich. I think we are in Vejle. Vejle? Vejle with a J.
Moin.
Vejle. Backstage. According to the crew, this is one of the most beautiful places we've ever played. Sounds remarkable. I've played in this band for 18 years. Well, that's nice. Hi Jimmy, wie geht's? Gut. Big stage 2. First lunch. It looks amazing. Could be falafel. Some kind of vegetable kebab. Nice. Stage. Time to sound check. Ik ben confused. How could you not be? Ever. Unfortunately, I'm now at an age where I physically can't take the amounts of alcohol that I need anymore. I have been drinking, it's like time travel. I call it bourbon and cola. Warm, pleasant, a bit pathetic, kind of self-pity kind of state. Y'all know what I'm talking about. Good morning. Damn, the weather sucks. Today's show is 1 hour north of here in a place called Knebel. Supposedly nice scenery. Yeah, I'm pretty hungover. Time to go for a coffee. 330,000 citizens in this little town of Aarhus. The Baltic Sea. So, good morning. Good morning.
I think it's good.
Hello.
Hello.
I'm gonna have some lunch, then sound check, and then I'm gonna explore the surrounding a little bit. And oh yeah, it looks pretty good, man. So, 4 hours till showtime. Wow, the water's so clean. You did it. What a beautiful place, right? 14 degrees air temperature right now. Yeah, it was fresh. We just saw whales, like dolphin-sized whales. Okay, thank you. It's mega nice. Yay! Hello. So, this might have very well been the last show of this year. People are expecting a second lockdown. The whole event in the streets is at a state of utter uncertainty. Man, I knew this guy didn't know what he was doing. It's not working what I kind of like considered. He's letting me in.
Okay, that's
good.
Alright, thanks.
Good night. Good morning. Man, I'm tired. I slept maybe 3 hours. Ready to go.